gets the key to this 2020 Range Rover Vogue, goes to steal it. They're going to start it up. As soon as they put it in gear, you're going to see the car cut out. They're going to be unable to drive it away. There you go, car's cut out. So what the customer can do, they can simply have their phone in their pocket with their Bluetooth on, get in the car and start it. Hear a disarm tone, they can select their gear and drive away. No need to waste any time with a push sequence. Obviously, sometimes they're going to forget their phone, leave it at home, or their phone's going to go flat while they're out and they need to drive home. So they'll get in the car, go for a unique code for now. For the video, we just have 1, 2, 3. Hear a disarm tone, we can select our gear and drive off. That's if the phone goes flat. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit. Once again, if a thief got the key, went to steal the vehicle, it's going to cut out. Thanks for watching. Our number's 0208 212 7393. This is Starline Pro. We're Immobiliser Fit.